Hi and welcome to this video. In this video I will explain you what is our FET about and when you have to use it. In general, the FET is the room controller for our heat pumps. So this is an accessory what you can use if you use the WPM system, and then you install it in one room, for example the living room. Have in mind you can use for each heating circuit one FET. As you know, you can use, when you use the WPM and the WPE, then you can use up to 5 heating circuits, so you can use up to 5 FETs if you want to. But normally you have maybe 1 or 2 heating circuits, and then you have 1 or 2 FETs. So there's one video, as you may saw before, or you could see it afterwards, where I show you what you have to do in the startup. But in this video I will show you in general how to work with the FET, so what you have to do. And for this we will have a look on the FET itself now, and let's move to the FET. So this is the FET after the first startup. This is important. When you do the first startup, watch this video please, because then you see some other points. So what is the general view? You see here the day and the date, and this is the clock, so the actual time. These values are from the WPM system, because there is a bus connection between the WPM system and the FET. And this is the bus connection can be. I have a different video about this, so there you see exactly what you have to wire. What you could see also is here the actual room outside temperature, because there's the sun symbol, and if there's the sun symbol, this is the outside temperature, and you see the actual room temperature. And of course also in a second you will see the percentage of humidity or relative humidity in the room, so 26.8% at the moment, so it's quite dry, the air here. So what could you do now? You see there are different dots, and if you would like to move to another dot, press the OK button, and then you can see, okay, here is the ACOM mode. If you would like to use this one now, so now you use the touch wheel and you see, okay, there are some hours. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, up to 30 days. And this is what you can do. You can say, okay, I would like to start now with the eco mode. And if you say, for example, I would like to start with the eco mode for 4 hours, then you can set this, and then the heat pump will run with the eco temperature, which is set it in the WPM system for this time. This is possible. If you press second time OK, you can set the comfort temperature, which is set it in the WPM system. Again, use just the touch wheel. And then wait a second, and then it's set it already. So then if you would like to go to domestic hot water, you see the actual value of the tank. So in our situation, because here is no real tank, it's just the sensor, you have just 22 degrees in this situation. If you would like to start the heat up program for domestic hot water, then press OK. No, press not OK, so move the touch wheel, and then you can say how often the storage tank should heat it up to the comfort temperature. 1 time, for 1 day, for 2 days, or for 3 days. So this is what you can set here. If you have, for example, no domestic hot water program, or if the tank is cold at the moment and you need the warm water. And the last point is the settings. And if you would like to go to the settings, so then you have to move the touch wheel until the lock is open, and then you can go to the settings. One important point is there more, so if you would like to cool with the heat pump, then you have to install an FET, because we need this for the control of the humidity. As you saw, maybe here you see the percentage, and then we will have a look on the humidity in the room, so then it's needed, of course, to use the FET. Yeah, and that's all in first step in general about the FET. If you have any questions about this, so then just get in touch. For the settings, we have now separate videos, so watch this. Of course, also for the first startup and for the wiring. And then see you soon in these videos. Take care and bye bye.